sometimes people go, well, what should I start with? Figuring out the problem or figuring out my data? And I go, well, what does CPMAI say? It says figure out the problem. Why? Because if you don't know what problem you're solving, you don't know what data you need. And then you don't know what your return on investment is going to be. And you don't know you don't know all of the downstream effects. So really start with business understanding, figuring out what problem you're trying to solve.
Hi, this is your PM Cowboy coming back to you with another podcast on AI. I don't know if you guys are getting sick and tired of this. We've had some interesting guests on. This is going to be the fourth podcast we're doing on AI in series because it's a hot topic. And I thought we're going to kind of close it out and go back to other topics then after this. But I wanted to get somebody on board who is an advocate for AI and can give us the good news on, yes, AI is here to stay. And there's help out there for all of you viewers out there saying, you know what, I'm being bombarded with AI, I need help. Where can I go? Where can I get structure? Where can I get a source of assistance? And one of the organizations I always love to turn to, whether it be for project management, program management, portfolio management, PMOs, there's a huge initiative. Sustainability, right, is PMI. And to my great amazement and thrill, PMI has come on board fully with AI. And we have the pleasure of having Kathleen Walch on board. Kathleen, is your title product owner? You have, like, I'm sure, some big, important, fancy title. What is it exactly with PMI?
So it's Director of AI Engagement and Community at PMI.
That was much better. I would have when I originally reached out to PMI, I said, who's your product owner, right? Kind of using agile language there.
Yes.
We've got Kathleen Walch on board, and we're going to let her introduce herself here in just a moment.